Okay, so I'm going to skip this part. Fine. Then this is nothing but the list of company which is using the Python. Variable. In Python, variable are used to store data that can be used and manipulated throughout a program. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare the type of variable explicitly. It means this is yeah. Just a minute. Just hold on. So let's we are going to store data inside anything. Let's suppose we have a alphabet like X, and I am putting X equal to 10. Got again I putting Y equal to 20. Okay. After that, when I use sum equal to X plus Y, sorry, X plus Y. After that, print sum. We will get the result as a sum. Okay. So here I am trying to say that I am storing here name equal to Amit. It means I am storing a string value inside this name, and this name is called the variable. Here X is the variable. I am storing 10 inside this X, and this is an integer value. Similarly, I am storing 20 into Y, and this is also integer value. After that, I am storing sum equal to X plus Y. Okay. Then print sum, it will give the result. So this is called the variable. So we store the data inside a variable, and we need not to declare a variable which type of data it is. Let's suppose this is a string data. Okay. Hello. So but in Python we need not to write a string here. X equal to 10. 10 is the integer value, but we didn't write anywhere integer. It's an integer. But in other programming language we have to declare that X is an integer. But in Python we need not to declare any variable. So here name is the variable, and I'm storing Amit. Amit is a string value. Similarly, age is a variable, and I'm storing 30. 30 is the integer value. Height is the variable, and I am storing 5.9. This is a floating value. After that, is underscore active equal to true. This is a boolean value. So I'm storing different type of data type like string data type, integer data type, then float data type, and boolean data type. So all are storing in a variable. This is the concept of variable. Got it? Okay. After that, how we can give the variable? Shall I give anything as a variable? Let's suppose I want. Let me if I give 50, sorry, 50, then name equal to any name. Let's suppose my name. Is it acceptable? Why not? Okay, so okay. Let me explain. There is a rules. By by that rules we can assign a variable and we store the data inside a variable. So let me check the rules. Here, this is the rule. Variable naming rules. Variable can include letter, number, and underscore. Here, this is a letter, this is a letter, and here letter and underscore. Okay. Even I can put like this. Here, name, after name I can put 50. This is acceptable. But if I put 50 in the beginning, it can't accept. Got it? So this is the rules how we can give the variable in a Python. So it included letter, number, underscore. We can use these things to make a variable. Must start with a letter or a underscore. Cannot start with a number. So we try to start with a number, but it's not acceptable here. This is the rule. It should be number, but it's not start with the number. Here in the beginning, it's not acceptable. But after the alphabet, it's acceptable. Got it? After that, cannot use the reserve key. Do you know what is the reserve key? Like if, else, for, class, these things we cannot use because these things are reserved for the Python. Let's suppose we are using the if condition, like we in the last class we have seen, no, these things. Um, let's suppose here x equal to 10, if x is greater than 5, print x is greater than 5. So this is used by the Python. This is the key value. Wait a minute. Sorry. This is a reserve key. This if, for, while, do while, these things are reserved for the Python. We cannot use as a variable. Got it? So I think a variable is clear for you. Hmm. Here, like true, false. The example will come later. I will show you the example. Let's suppose um, let's suppose uh, here. Let me delete this. Y is just a minute. Let me show you the example. Okay, it will come. Just give me 1 or 5 minutes. It will come automatically in the same topic. Okay. Otherwise, you can understand like this way. X is greater than 5. Y, sorry. So it's automatically observed that it's either true or false. See, it's giving the result false. It doesn't have any numerical data. So it's automatically observed that it's a Boolean value. It's giving an answer in a true or false way. After that, I will give you the one more perfect example. Just hold on. Let's go through the topic. Next topic. It will come automatically. Okay. Then dynamic type. You can change the type of variable anytime. See, I have put x equal to 10. After that, I am going to put x equal to true. True. Then do this. Now tell me what is the output? If I run this program, x equal to 10, x equal to true, print x. What is the output Python will give us? Can you tell me? Hello. See, I have written this program x equal to 10. After that, x equal to true. Print x. Can you tell me what is the result will come? Sorry, true. Sorry, spelling is wrong. Not true. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. Fine. Now it's okay. So how we can say that true? It will print true. Yes, because according to the rules, we can change the variable anytime. So it will take the latest one, and first we declare x equal to 10. After that we declare x equal to true. So the Python will take this value, because if first is check this one. After that Python check this one. So it will take the latest one. So this is the latest one in between two. So this will printed as a true. So this is the concept. We can change variable anytime. Here I can change the variable. First I declare 10. After that I declare true. So it's a boolean value. Sorry, string value. So dynamic type. After that, assigning multiple variable. We can assign multiple variable like this. Let's suppose we have like A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, and I want to print A, B, C. So we can assign multiple things at a time. One, two, three. It's printed 1, 2, 3 because we are assigning A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to 3. We can do like this also. Like suppose B equal to 2. After that, C equal to 3, and print step by step. First A, after that B, after that C, B, then C. Let me remove this. This, see this. So 1, 2, 3. But we assign at a time like this. Here A, comma B, comma C, 1, 2, 3. Assign at a time. Multiple variable. Similarly, x equal to y equal to z equal to 0. At a time we can assign 0 for all the value of x and y and z. Got it? Okay. Now operand and the expression. So for example, in our expression x plus y, x and y is the operand and plus is the operator. Okay, got it? What is operand and what is operator? X and y is operand, and plus and this mathematical sign, that is plus, is called operator. Got. Operand can be literal. It means 5, decimal, or string value. Variables of price, name, data structure like what to. These are called operand. Operand are in this way, and operator are like this: plus, minus, multiply, divide, percentage, square, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and or not. Then assignment of operator like equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, embracem, in, not in, is, not out. An example is a plus b, x less than y, like this. These are the examples. Then a and b, x plus equal to 5. These are the example of operator. How operator combine with operand. All right. After that, expression. Here our topic is operand and the expression. So operand, you got it. Expression, combination of operand and the operator, called the expression. Let's suppose a plus b, arithmetic expression. Then x into y minus 3, expression with the parenthesis. Parenthesis means this bracket. Then len, then a small bracket name. Function called expression. This is called function called expression. A is greater than b, comparison expression. It means doing the comparison between a and b. Then not is valid, that is logical expression. Logical means let's suppose it's logically it will say, let's suppose we have a some value like is underscore value is true, then it will logically observe and then give the answer. Hmm. Okay, let me give you the one example. Just a minute. So using do you using the chat gpt right now? Are you using? So you can use chat gpt so that you can get more idea about the python, as well as there is so many example you can do it. Not is a valid logical expression. It will help you lot to understand the python. So using chat gpt is a smart way these days to learn the python, as well as become a master in a python. See, like this, is underscore is valid equal to true. If not is underscore valid, print invalid data, else print valid data, like this. Just a minute. Let me valid data, fine. If I make it false, then invalid data. See, true. Is underscore valid equal to true. If this is correct, then logical expression is not. If not is underscore valid, print valid data. Else print sorry, invalid data. Then print valid data. See, we have assigning is underscore valid equal to true. Correct? So if not is underscore valid, print invalid data. If this is correct, so for if condition we put not. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so see, here we are assigning is underscore valid equal to true. Okay, so according to logic, if not is underscore valid, print invalid data, else print valid data. So in case we are putting true, so true is a valid data, so it will print valid data. It will logically thinking. Python is logically thinking that this is true. So if this is not, if this is not true, then print this. But in this case, it is true. So it will logically thinking and then print this value. Got it? If we make it false, then it is comparing, logically thinking. Okay, this is not true. So then it will print this one. Got it? So this is called the logical expression. Logically, it's thinking. Do the comparison. Which logic is correct? Which logic is not correct? Accordingly, they give the result. Fine. Then conditional statement. Now concentrate on the topic because these are important and very interesting topic. Got it? Conditional statement. So conditional statement allow you to execute different block of code depending on whether a condition is true or false. Got it? Let's suppose we have a if statement. Whenever we talk, we said if you are ready, you can go. If you are not ready, you can't go. So if is a condition. Got it? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, okay. So are you going to put the charger? So put it. I'm holding the class. Okay, fine. So you know the if where we can use if while we are talking with a person, we use if no. Sometimes if. So we are let's suppose we have any condition. Let's suppose I said that if you are ready, you can come with me. If you are not ready, don't come. So there is a condition that ready is the condition. If you are ready. So accordingly, Python will understand this if condition. Let's suppose let's understand with the example x equal to 10 if x is greater than 5 print x is greater than 5. Let me put this program in our Python series. Okay, fine. X equal to 10 if x is greater than 5 print x is greater than 5. It is valid? What do you think? Is this correct? Correct. If correct, then this will print these things. Let me check this. See, x is greater than 5. This is correct because we are giving 5. If I put this greater than 15, now what happened in this case? Hello. Now I put yeah. Now if condition is not true, no, let's check it. Even I don't know nothing because Python is not able to thinking what to do, because we have just given only this statement. If is greater than 15, print this one, but this is not greater than 15. This is only for this program is only for the value which is greater than 10. Let's suppose I put 6. Now this is valid. If x is greater than 6, print this, otherwise don't print anything. For this we have another option. Let's suppose if I put 15, so it's not giving any result, correct? But I put anything less than 10, it will give the result. For greater than this 10, we have another option called else statement. Here I print like this, else print x is smaller than 10. Okay. Now in second, now this time x is greater than 15. So this is false, no? So in this case, first it doesn't print anything, but now it print this value, because we are using else. First we use if condition, after that we use else condition. So see this, x is smaller than 10, because this is correct. First condition is not correct, but second condition is true. So this will Python will give result this one. Got it? How we can use if and else? Hello? Shall I repeat this or you understand it? Got no? Tell me. Just a simple if else. If else. We are talking in a English language, no? If it is true, we can do it. Else it is. Else we can leave it like this. So Python will understand if and else. Condition. We give first condition like this: if x is greater than 15 or less than 15, print accordingly. So Python will observe automatically which condition is true or which condition is false, and then they will print the result. Got it? Okay. So move for next. After that, if if else statement. Here first if statement, then if else statement. Now if else if and else statement. Let's check this. Hello? Yeah, tell me. See this. Now in this case x equal to 10, fine. Now I am putting the condition: if x is smaller than 0, print x is negative. Else x is equal to 0, print x is 0. Else print x is positive. So let's suppose I am going to print -1. Can you tell me which result Python will reflect as output? Sorry, negative. Yes, correct. Because the first condition is true. This condition, if condition. Because I put x equal to -1. If x is less than 0, print this one. So first condition is true. So this will print the first condition as a result. Check this. Yes, x is negative. When I put x equal to 0, which what is the result? Can you tell me? X is 0, because first condition is false, because x is not negative, it's a 0. For 0 we have put else if x equal to 0, put it this one, x is 0. So let's run this. X is 0. If I put more than 0, like let's suppose I put 1 or 2, let's suppose 2. Now this case, this condition is false. It's not less than 0, and this is not equal to 0, correct? So third condition is true. This is greater than 0, correct? Greater than 0, yes, because this is a positive value. So these two conditions are false, but the third is true. So Python will print this statement. Check this. X is positive. So step by step you understand how the logics work here. Got it? If, else if, else. So interesting, no? Got it. Okay, fine. After that, nested if statement. So nested if is nothing but we are using if here, no, single time, only one time if. In the above case, only one if. In the first case, only one time. If is only one time. But in nested if, we can use multiple time like this. Check this. So this is called the nested if. Different than, no, this is the same as a normal if, but we are putting if inside the if. There is multiple logic, no? Just observe this program. I am putting x equal to 15. Then I put the logic if x is greater than 10. Again I put if x is less than 20. Print x is between 10 and 20. There is two conditions. First, x is greater than 10. So this is valid. 15 is greater than 10, correct? So first logic is true. First logic is true. Then I put second logic. If is less than 20. Second logic also true. So then it will print x is between 10 and 20. So 15 is between 10 and 20. Let me check this. Yes, this is true. If I put, let me do this. 5. No, not 5. Greater than 10. No, yes, 5 is fine. X is greater than 10. This is not true. Not true. And this, so again, it will not show any result. Not show any result. So for that, we can put else condition here. We can put else condition. Else print like what should I print? X is not be between 10 and 20. Now let me run this program. Oh, not working. Else print else. Okay, just a minute. There is an inbuilt program inside this. Let's suppose we are talking in a some language like English. So if I say yes, you understand what is yes. If I say no, you know what is the no. So similarly, Python know these things because it's a inbuilt program inside this program. Python, when we write according to this way, it automatically understands. Okay. So for else, in this case, let me do this one more thing. We are missing something. Okay. So use let's suppose you stuck in any Python programming, you can use ChatGPT. It will help you so much. And, uh, and print angle less than or equal to 10. Just okay, I will tell you later these things. I will correct this and tell you because I don't want to waste the time. Just a minute, just a minute. After that, we have did nested if, nested if. Okay, fine. Then conditional expression, ternary operator, used to write a simple if-else statement in a single line. We are using multiple line right here, this way, if, else if, but in conditional expression, that is ternary operator, we can use in a single line like this. X equal to 5, result equal to even if x divided by 2 equal to 0, else odd. See this. Yeah, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. You can understand it. See this. I am assigning x equal to 5, okay, and then I put result equal to equal, sorry, even. Result equal to even if x divided by 2. It means the whatever the value of x divided by 2. If I it's not a percentage, it's a division sign. Division. Let's suppose I can use this. You want this sign. Even you can use this also. This is also fine. This is also fine. If I use this, x divided by 2 equal to 0. If let's suppose I put here 10. Okay. If I divide by 2, what is the final result? It's a, oh no, not odd, no, because it's a completely divisible. It's a no, no, it's a 10. So it's a completely divisible. So we get even. So it's a even number. See, I just writing. Hmm. Because let's suppose, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Hold on. Sorry. Let me show you. Let's suppose I am putting 2 here, 2, then 10. Fine. If I divide by, then we can put 5 here, 10. So this will completely divisible. So this is 0, no? We get here 0. Reminder is 0. Yeah, so reminder is 0. Whenever we get a reminder 0, it is even number. Because it automatically understand. We divided by 0. Whenever we ask about the result, it automatically understand we are asking about this result. Okay. So whenever x divided by 2 is 0, it's even number, otherwise odd number. So let me check this. What happened? Okay, like this. X divided by 2 equal to if x divided by 2 equal to 0 dot negative result. Again odd. So odd value when I put this one 10 even number. Fine. So I think just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. We have so many operators now. You can check inside the operator. See this. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, percent. If I put percent, it means just a minute, just a minute. Let me try this. X percent mean by 100, and then 2 percent by 2 2 to 0. But logic is actually this one, divide. So automatically so odd. When I put again percent, yeah, you are right. So if I use this one, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Let's suppose I put 10. After that divided by 100, then multiplied by 2. So it's a 20 divided by this 5, like this. Main logic not working like that. Just a minute. 1 by 5, right? So we get the answer as a 1 by 5. But this is not the logic. Just a minute. Hold on. I think so. What happened? Hello? I think you said anything. Okay. So event percent is the modulus operator. It gives reminder after dividing x by 2. X is a modulus operator. It gives reminder after dividing x by 2. So that is fine. Yeah. For that. Whenever we use this percent sign, it's considering the reminder. But when we use division sign, I think quotient, as a result, quotient will be considering the quotient. That is fine. Okay then. Even if x is divided by 2 equal to 0, else odd, print the result, which is odd in this case because 5 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, let's move. Then comparison operator used in a condition. This is called equal to. When we use double equal to, it's treated as a equal to. If I use exclamation sign and equal to, it's a not equal to. Got it? Then greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Logical operator is and or not. We can use logically. Let's suppose two logical are true, then and we can use. Let's suppose any one, either one or two true, we can use or operator. Opposite to the or. Yes. Sorry. Tell me. Hmm. This is, yeah, this one. This one. Huh. Hmm. Not valid in the first class. In the first class or first node. Let's start. Okay. Okay, then this one. No? Yes. I got it. I think you are asking about this thing, not that thing. Here, down, press up. Yes. Not underscore value. Yeah, we use no. It's a logically Python is thinking about. Hmm, see this. Uh, when you talk about this, we already seen. We have seen a program that if we put true expression, then Python will understand that okay, we are putting true. So it's logically true. If I use this not condition before it will give the opposite result. Otherwise, it give if I when I put false, it will give. Hmm, see this. Whenever we use and or, there is so many. Let's suppose. No problem. See, this is an example of not logical operator. So if I put x equal to true, print not x. So output will be false. It will give the opposite result. This is true. Yes, we are putting true. But when we use not as a logical operator, it will give the opposite result. Otherwise, check this result. I'm putting age equal to anything, whatever you want to put, and I put the logic like if not age is greater than equal to 18, print you are not eligible to vote. Correct. So it will give the opposite result. If not, it means if is greater than equal to 18, if not valid, then give this you are not equal to vote. Let me click this. If I put 18, then it will not put any result, because for this case we are putting if not age is equal to 18 greater than equal to 18. But in this case this is true. So this is true, but logically it's not true. So this will not print anything. Like when I put else print true, or you are eligible to vote. See, if whenever if condition true, this will print this result. But in this case, whenever this is true, this will not print this result. This will print this result because we put not here. So this is a way it's logically thinking. Python will think logically. Okay. So shall I stop the class because it's already more than 1 hour, and I can explain the other loops statement. Then we will finish this model, and we will move to the very interesting topic like NumPy and pandas. Okay, fine then. Okay, I will put this note on the GitHub. Just download it and revise it, and go to the ChatGPT and try to find the example of the program, this Python program. You will get so much program, and you become expert. Okay, goodbye then.